Zumbo was a mischievous little elephant who loved adventures. Elephant Sparkles. He lived in a magical forest, causing delightful chaos everywhere. Herb. One day, Zumbo wanted to explore the enchanting moon lake. Crescent moon splash symbol. Moon lake was magical, reflecting the future instead of the sky. Astonished face rocket. As he approached the lake, Zumbo heard a strange sound. Eyes speaker with 3 sound waves. He followed it eagerly and discovered Luna, the wise owl. Owl Sparkles. Luna hovered around a glowing, giant tree, warning him. Tree warning sign hash. Zumbo, this tree bears a dangerous secret, don't touch, owl glowing star. Zumbo, curious as ever, touched the tree despite the warning. Rainbow. Suddenly, a gap opened in the ground, and he fell through. Face screaming in fear. Zumbo found himself in a bizarre world where trees talked. Tree speaking head in silhouette hash. There lurked Morgo, the evil king of shadows. Japanese ogre crystal ball. Morgo revealed Zumbo had unlocked a path for him. Milky Way open door. You've unleashed my magic upon your forest. Morgo sneered. Hashtag hash imp. Oh no. I must fix my mistake. Zumbo determined. Flexed biceps elephant. Zumbo hatched a clever plan with Luna's help. Thinking face owl electric light bulb.